morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing good in your work, right? So, students, let's start our today session. So, first of all, we start with the very first subject, English, and today we performed in our writing skills notebook. Okay, as you see on screen, this is your child-centric writing skills perfection toolkit Joyful D. Okay, so you have to bring out your writing skills book as well as pencil, a sharp pencil you must have to take, okay, and eraser in your hands. So students, you have to open page number 5454. Okay, now you have to come on page number 54. Okay, if you want to see below, so this is your page number 54. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell that this is a new worksheet, but it's related to the same concept of preposition which we did in our previous session. Okay, you all know what are the prepositions, the words which tell us about the position of an object, thing are known as prepositions, right? So as you know, this is a new worksheet. So first of all, you have to write the date, day, and fill this column. Okay, so today is, what is the day today? 22nd. So here you have to write the date. Okay, the month is February 02 and the year is 2021. Okay, and the day is, today is the Monday, right? Today is Monday, so you have to circle it. This you have to do by own. Go outside, check the weather today, and circle the clip art. Okay, so today we are doing prepositions. Which words? Behind. You know what is the meaning of behind? Behind means piche. In front of. In front of means आगे. Next to. Next to means साथ में. Okay, and this is also the same format which we performed in a previous worksheet, but here you have to fill the blank with the correct preposition and then you have to write the whole sentence बाय ओन. ओके, आपने कंप्लीट करना है पहले इसको क्लोज टेस्ट को, ठीक है, एक सूटेबल preposition लगा के देन यू हैव टू राइट द फुल सेंटेंस. ठीक है, so there are total three. So you have to firstly observe the picture, understand करो कि पिक्चर में क्या है, what is the position of a boy, what is the position of lion. ठीक है, then you have to pick the suitable preposition from here, and then when you write the close test over here, then you have to write the whole sentence, पूरा sentence, start from the very first word and end to the last word. ठीक है, पूरा आपने sentence यहाँ पे write down करना है. Okay, and speak it loudly. Okay, but before starting this, let's read the information given below, that how we have to complete this worksheet. Okay, fill in the blanks with prepositions and write the complete sentence. जो मैम ने भी आपको describe किया, in short you have to perform it. Okay, चलो. First, the very first one is done for us. ठीक है, for your help, for a hint. Okay, see this picture. Now you have to tell me which is the suitable preposition for this. This is a cage, है ना? You have to see what is it? Lion, right? So what is the position of a lion? Lion is in front of the cage. Cage के कहाँ है? आगे है. If lion is there, यहाँ पे अगर होता lion, what is the position of a lion? Behind. The lion is behind the cage. Okay? Or if lion comes here, you have to see the cursor where I am moving. अगर lion यहाँ होता, तो what is the position of a lion? What preposition we will use? The lion is in front, next to the cage. साथ में है ना? So यहाँ पे अगर होता तो next to हम यूज करते, ठीक है. तो it's very important, पहले आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे, अंडरस्टैंड करोगे कि लाइन है कहाँ, इन फ्रंट है, बिहाइंड है या नेक्स्ट टू है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो यहाँ पे लाइन इज in front of the cage, so that one is already written. आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ trace करना है. Okay, same with the sentence, you have to read it aloud. The lion is in front of the cage. right? And you have to put a full stop, right? Now come down to the next one. Okay, see the picture. What is there in the picture? There is a box and there is a boy. So where is the boy? The boy is behind the box. Box के पीछे है. So what you have to write over here? The boy is behind the box. Okay? So take your pencil in your hands and write it over here. The boy is behind. B hind. HIND, behind the box. Okay, when you complete this, now here you have to write the complete sentence. Start from here. The boy, boy, the boy is I is the boy is behind the hind behind the box. The boy is behind the box. Box. Okay. Now come down. See this picture. Where is the lion? The lion is behind the cage. Where is the lion? The lion is behind the cage. Okay. So here you have to write the lion is behind behind BEHIND. Behind. The lion is behind the cage. Okay, write the whole sentence over here, or you have to speak it along with it. Okay, write down. जब आप कर रहे हो तो साथ साथ you also have to speak loudly what you are writing. The lion, L I the lion, the lion the lion is behind HIND. Behind. The lion is behind the cage. 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 The lion is behind the cage. Right? Put a full stop. Okay? Now, students, that is your English work. You just have to complete the whole worksheet and then you have to submit it on time, right? So I'm giving you some time to complete the whole worksheet. Then we will shift towards our next subject, which is creative. But for creative, today you have to bring out your maths book. Okay. Today we will perform our creative in a maths book. Okay. So this is your mathematics book. You have to open it. I told you. Okay, students, now you have to open your book and come on page number 6969 from your book. In a previous art session, I told you about the patrons, right? So you have to come on page number 6969. Today, I'll explain you many more geometrical solids, or you can say different shapes, right? So first of all, you have to observe these shapes. Okay, one by one we will trace it with a pencil and then we will read all the geometrical solids aloud. Okay, and you come to know that there are lots and lots of geometrical solids. Okay, so as you see over here, ये जो आपकी dotted lines हैं, यहाँ पर आपको trace करना है. Take your pencil in your hands. ओके, जो आपको डॉटेड लाइन यहाँ पे विजिबल है, यू हैव टू ट्रेस ऑन दैट. ओके, सो वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. Now start from here and end. So which solid is this? Square based pyramid. आपने कभी pyramid देखे? Pyramid is just like a 3D triangular structure. जैसे आपका ये है ना? सी आप triangle maintain करते हो just like this. तो ये क्या है? See, there are one triangle. This one is also a triangle. If we count it, this is also a triangle. So this is a 3D triangular. Which shape is this? Square-based pyramid. What we call it? Square-based pyramid. Okay, these are the 3D structure. Square-based pyramid. What we call it? Square-based pyramid. Okay. Now the next is this. You have to trace it. Take your pencil in your hands and trace it properly. Okay, you can also use the रूलर है अगर आपके पास, और स्केल जो भी आपके पास है, उसकी हेल्प से भी यू कैन मेक द स्ट्रेट लाइंस, बट मेक श्योर द लाइन शुड बी स्ट्रेट, अदरवाइज आपको जो करेक्ट इसकी इमेज है वो आपको शो नहीं होगी. ठीक है, सो students, please take a ruler or a scale to draw lines. Okay, as you can see, I'm making lines with the फ्री हैंड्स, राइट? तो क्या हो रही है? स्ट्रेट लाइंस नहीं हो रही है. तो इफ यू टेक द रूलर और स्केल, उसके थ्रू अगर आप लाइंस ड्रॉ करोगे तो दे विल बी स्ट्रेट. ओके, सो दिस इज अ ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड. दिस इज द स्क्वायर पिरामिड. ये आपका एक स्क्वायर पिरामिड है और ये आपका क्या है? ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड. अगर आप इसको देखो तो why we call it as square pyramid? If you see over here, this line and this or this, these are the four lines. So it will look like a square, है ना? अगर आप इन लाइंस को देखो, ये 1 2 3 4, दिस वन इज ऑल्सो स्क्वायर, है ना? तो यहाँ पे आपको ये स्क्वायर इमेज शो रही है, स्क्वायर रिजेम्बलेंस लग रही है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट स्क्वायर पिरामिड. ओके, बट अगर आप पार्ट्स करके देखोगे तो दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल, है ना? बट कंबाइन अगर इमेज को आप देखो, सो इट्स लुक लाइक अ स्क्वायर. फाइन, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट अ स्क्वायर पिरामिड, स्क्वायर बेस्ड पिरामिड, क्योंकि बेस जो है वो इसका स्क्वायर है. एंड इफ यू लुक ओवर हियर तो ये ट्रायंगुलर बेस्ड पिरामिड है, बिकॉज सी देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल. So this is square based pyramid and this is triangular based pyramid, right? Okay, now this is a sphere. Which geometrical shape is this? Square. Now you here you can't take the scale. ये तो आपको फ्री हैंड से ही ट्रेस करना होगा. Okay, so this is a sphere shape. Which shape is this? Square, right? जो आपकी बॉल होती है, that is a sphere shape. Okay, students, now come down. Okay, here. You have to come. This is a cuboid. What which solid is this? Cuboid. So now you have to trace the lines. Cuboid. Which shape is this? Cuboid. Right? Cuboid. Join it and join this one also. Cuboid. This is a cuboid. Right? Okay. Now come over here. This is a cylinder. Which is it? Cylinder. Right? This is a cylinder shape. अच्छा आपने देखा है किचन में जो गैस ओके वन मोर थिंग आई विल टेल यू कैंडल यू मस्ट हैव सीन अ कैंडल ओके न्यू कैंडल नहीं जो आपकी यूज्ड कैंडल है ठीक है वी आर नॉट गोइंग ऑन द गैस स्टोव बिकॉज इट्स समटाइम रिस्की राइट सो यू कैन टेक अ कैंडल राइट आपने कैंडल देखी है मैम ने भी आपको लास्ट जो एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करवाई थी वी यूज टू डू इट विद कैंडल है ना कैंडल के साथ आपको करवाई थी तो आपकी जो घर में यूज्ड कैंडल है आप उसकी शेप देखना कैसे होती है सिमिलर शेप होती है ना दिस लाइक दिस और यहाँ पर उसके क्या होता है यहाँ पे आप उसको लाइटनिंग करते हैं ना बट अगर आप उसके नीचे का जो बेस स्ट्रक्चर है वो आप देखो तो इट्स लुक लाइक दिस है ना तो वो कौन सी शेप है सिलेंडर शेप है और यू कैन से इट सिलिंड्रिकल शेप राइट दिस इज अ सिलेंडर विच शेप इज दिस cylinder shape okay now this is a cube right this is a cube which shape is this cube okay now come down okay this one is a shape similar to the oval shape right but which shape is this what we call it ellipsoid which shape is this ellipsoid right these are the geometrical shapes students which shape is this ellipsoid right now come down this one is a new shape avoid right oval say avoid you have to remember it which shape is this avoid okay wait where I get wrong now start from here which shape is this avoid you have to read it aloudly okay as you know that this is a new concept but you have to read it along with me. Which shape is this? Avoid. Avoid. Okay, now you all know that where you see this shape, ice cream cone, है ना? This is a cone shape. Which shape is this? Cone shape, right? Okay, the next is okay, this is a prism. Which prism? Triangular prism. Which prism? Triangular prism is this, right? So here you have to trace this triangular prism. Which shape is this? Triangular prism. So students, here we completed all our geometrical solids or all the geometrical shapes तो वन मोर टाइम वी विल रिवाइज इट ओके आपने जब ट्रेस कर लिया है तब तो आपने अलाउड रीड अलाउड करना है आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू कंप्लीट द होल वर्कशीट दोबारा से आपने उसको रिवाइज करना है ठीक है दिस इज अ स्क्वायर बेस्ड पिरामिड which pyramid square based pyramid and this is triangular based pyramid which pyramid triangular based pyramid this is a sphere नेक्स्ट इज क्यूबॉइड है ना आप लंच बॉक्स जो आपके होते हैं स्लीक एकदम है ना दैट इज अ क्यूबॉइड शेप विच शेप क्यूबॉइड शेप ओके एंड जो आपका क्यूबिकल बॉक्स होता है क्यूबिकल बॉक्स है ना कलर्ड क्यूबिकल बॉक्स होते हैं ना जिसके थ्रू आप डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स उसमें होते हैं तो दैट इज अ क्यूब व्हाट इज इट क्यूब ओके, दिस इज सिलेंडर। कैंडल जो आप यूज करते हो, दैट इज अ सिलेंडर शेप, राइट? देन दिस इज ellipsoid. Which shape is this? Ellipsoid. This is a new one. Then this is avoid. Which shape is this? Avoid. Next is your cone. This is a cone. And the last one is triangular prism. Which prism? Triangular prism, right? So students, you have to keep on revising all these geometrical solid today. This is your today creative work, right? Now you have to come towards your next subjects, maths. Okay, so maths के लिए आपकी यही maths book है, ठीक है? So okay, students. So this is your mathematics book. As you know that now you have to. We will do the third subject, which is your maths, right? So here you have to open your page number 5858 from the book. Okay. एज यू नो दैट हम क्रिएटिव में पैटर्न से रिलेटेड ही कर रहे थे, दैट्स वाई मैम ने आपका क्रिएटिव टास्क आपकी मैथ्स की बुक में जो ज्योमेट्रिकल सॉलिड है उसी से ही आई विल टेक द कंसेप्ट, ठीक है? तो क्रिएटिव टास्क आपने आज अपनी मैथ्स की बुक में ही परफॉर्म करना है पेज नंबर 60 पे, ठीक है? नाउ अब हम अपना मैथ्स का वर्क इन कंटिन्यूएशन टू आवर प्रीवियस सेशन वो कर रहे हैं. सो दैट इज योर पेज नंबर 58. इफ यू वांट टू क्रॉस चेक इट, so you have to come down. This is your page number 58, right? So today in your math subject we performed this worksheet, right? But before starting this worksheet you have to write the topmost column. Okay, today date you have to write over here and also circle the day. Go outside, check the weather today and circle the clip art. Fine. Okay, so what is written over here? Day before and after. So what you have to do today, कल आपने इन योर प्रीवियस सेशन, नॉट कल, ठीक है, आपने प्रीवियस सेशन में अपने डेज ऑफ द वीक करे थे, ठीक है, रिवाइज भी करे थे आपने. आज हम क्या करेंगे? डे बिफोर, कि इस डे से बिफोर कौन सा डे आता है, पहले कौन सा डे आता है और इस डे के बाद कौन सा डे आता है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर ये जो आपको स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड है, द ब्लैंक स्पेस इज प्रोवाइडेड फॉर यू इज फॉर द डेज दैट कम आफ्टर. इस डे के बाद कौन सा डे आता है, ठीक है? आपने बिफोर एंड आफ्टर करा है. बिफोर का मतलब आपको पता है पहले, आफ्टर मीन्स बाद में, ठीक है? तो यही चीज आपने डेज ऑफ वीक के साथ करनी है, ठीक है? द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज डन फॉर यू, ट्यूसडे. ट्यूसडे के बाद क्या आता है? व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर ट्यूसडे? व्हिच डे कम आफ्टर ट्यूसडे? इट्स Wednesday, right? So this is already written, you just have to trace it. Okay, and for your help there is a cloud given below. तो ये आपकी हेल्प के लिए है. The very first one is done for you, वो आपने write down कर दिया, so you put a tick over here. Okay, now what comes after Saturday? Saturday के बाद क्या आता है? It comes Sunday. So here in the given space you have to write Sunday. जब आप Sunday write down कर दोगे, then you have to put a small tick over here. Okay, what comes after Wednesday? Wednesday के बाद कौन सा day आता है? It's Thursday, right? So here it is written. तो यहाँ पे आपने Thursday write down करना है and then put the tick over here. Okay, ये आपके after के बारे में था. Now come down to the second half of this page, right? So days that come before. अब आपने क्या करना है कि इस डे से पहले कौन सा डे आता है? सो ट्यूसडे से पहले क्या आता है? इट्स मंडे, ऑलरेडी रिटन. सो पुट अ टिक ऑन मंडे. यहाँ पे स्मॉल टिक आप मंडे के ऊपर करोगे. ऐसे ही यू हैव टू गिव आंसर ऑफ ऑल दीज डे, ठीक है? यहाँ पर आपको ध्यान रखना है कि ब्लैंक जो है वो पहले है, बिफोर है, तो आपने डे जो उससे पहले आता है उस वो लिखना है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस वर्कशीट. वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, ठीक है? मैम सेकंड हाफ से स्टार्ट करते हैं, देन वी विल कम अपवर्ड. ओके, सो व्हाट कम्स बिफोर ट्यूसडे? ट्यूसडे से पहले क्या आता है? मंडे. इट इज ऑलरेडी रिटन, you have to trace it. Okay, I'll put a tick over here. Fine, students. Okay, now it is Wednesday. What comes before Wednesday? Wednesday से पहले क्या आता है? You have to speak your all days. संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, है ना? इट्स वेडनेसडे। वेडनेसडे से पहले आपने कौन सा डे बोला था? इट्स ट्यूसडे, राइट? सो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? ट्यूसडे, TUSDAY, Tuesday. Okay, students? Now, put a tick over here. Okay, the next is Sunday. What comes before Sunday? Again, you have to start Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Right? So it's Saturday which come before Sunday. Right? तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या write down करना है? Saturday. SAT. Sat. Saturday. Day. Day. Saturday. Okay. So when you write it over here, put a tick. Okay. Now you have to come up. Okay, because we start with the second half of this page, we have to come up. Okay, so यहाँ पर in this first half, what you have to do, you have to give answer for the after days that come after, right? So the very first is done for you. It's Wednesday. Tuesday के बाद क्या आता है? Wednesday, right? Okay, what comes after Saturday? Saturday के बाद क्या आता है? It's Sunday, है ना? Today is okay. You have to give me the answer. What is today? Today is Monday, right? So, what comes after Monday? Who will tell me? Ma'am, Tuesday. Very good. Okay. So, यहाँ पर what comes after Saturday? It's Sunday, right? Now you get it? Very good. Sunday. D-A-Y. Sunday. Sunday. The next is it's Wednesday, right? What comes after Wednesday? Okay, यहाँ पे आपने Sunday round down करा, so put a tick over here. What comes after Wednesday? It's Thursday. What comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Thursday. D-A-Y. Day. Thursday. Thursday. Okay, students. So you can revise the days by after and before. आपको जब जब आप रिवाइज कर रहे हो डेज ऑफ द वीक, ओके, एक सिंपल मेथड होता है दैट यू आर कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, राइट, सैटरडे। तो आप रिवाइज कर रहे हो, कॉन्टिन्यूटी में बोल रहे हो। एक अगर आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो आप आफ्टर और बिफोर से अगर आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो वो आपको ज्यादा अच्छे से लर्न होंगे। ठीक है, तो पेरेंट्स, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट टू यू ऑल दैट आप ओरली स्टूडेंट्स को संडे मंडे रिवाइज करवाएं बाय आस्किंग आफ्टर एंड बिफोर। ठीक है, so this is your maths work, students. Now it's completed, so here you have to complete this worksheet and there is a column given to us. Sing to the tune Ferris Jacques. The day song. This is a day song. Okay, today is, so you have to answer what is the day today. Today is Monday, है ना? You have to write it. Okay, Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Today is Monday. Then again, he's saying today is Monday. तो यहाँ पे आपको दोबारा से लिखना है today is Monday, today is Monday, all day long. Yesterday means पहले, Monday से पहले क्या था? It's Sunday and holiday. Sunday. Okay, I'm writing the abbreviation. Yesterday you have to write full. Yesterday was means पहले. मंडे से पहले क्या था? इट्स संडे. इट्स अ हॉलीडे. राइट. DAY डे. संडे वॉज अ हॉलीडे. टुमारो विल बी. कल क्या होगा? मंडे के बाद क्या होगा? इट्स ट्यूसडे. ओके. Oh, what fun! Oh, what fun! Okay, you have to speak that song. Today is Monday, all day long. Yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Oh, what fun! Oh, what fun! Right? So, in this way, you keep on understanding the vocab. What is the meaning of today? Today means aaj, yesterday means kal, or tomorrow will be the coming day, right? Okay, so that's all about your today maths class. Okay, students. Okay, there is also a conversation between two friends. Let's read this along with it. Tony said, "Okay, tell me which day comes after Tuesday." Tuesday के बाद कौन सा day आता है? So you have to give me the answer. What comes after Tuesday? Ma'am, do I give you the answer? Okay, yes, ma'am, it's Wednesday. Very good. So Tina, her friend say, Wednesday. Yeah, she is right. So Tony said, and which day comes before Tuesday? Or Tuesday से पहले क्या आता है? So Tina said, Monday. Okay. So in this way, you can play this game with your friends, with your mama, papa to revise the concept of days, right? So that's it, all about today task. Now it's time to write your daily diary. For that, you have to bring out your daily diary notebook and let's write it. Okay, students. Now this is your daily diary format which you have to draw in your daily diary notebook. Okay, first of all we will write the date. Okay, जो कि आप हमेशा करते हो. So today is 22nd of February and the year is 2021. We have written it. Okay, the next task is about your English work, right? So here you have to write. So what we have done today, you have to do, do page do page number 54 in your. Okay, if you want to आप सिर्फ इतना लिख सकते हैं, do page number 54 in writing skills book. Writing skills book, right? Otherwise you can just write do page number 54. Okay, now in creative, so students today we perform our creative task in your maths book, है ना? Because we are doing the shapes, so I want कि आप अपनी maths की book में अपनी सारी shapes जितनी भी हैं that is in your syllabus वो सारी covered हो रही है. So that's why आप pick a page from your maths book. So you have to do page number 6060, write in your in maths book. Okay, and it's here I will write it in the bracket tier 6 unit E. Okay, so that's all about your today creative work unit E. Okay, so students, today you have to perform your creative work in your maths book and in our upcoming classes जो आपके upcoming sessions होंगे ये whole tier मैम आपको creative में ही करवाएंगे. ठीक है, आपके creative subject में ही I will cover all this concept. Right now it's time to write your maths diary. First of all, we will write the subject name and along with that we will write the homework. Okay, so here you have to write do the do page number 54. Okay, so you have to do page number 54 and it's in unit C. So right students, you have to do page number 54 of unit C. Okay, so that's it, your daily diary. You have to write your daily diary regularly and do your work on regular basis because it's very important कि जो आपको वर्क आज करवा रहे हैं वो आप आज ही परफॉर्म करें बिकॉज अगर आप उसको इकट्ठा करोगे सो इट विल बी अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क फॉर यू ठीक है वो आपके लिए और डिफिकल्ट होता जाएगा सो मेक श्योर स्टूडेंट्स कि जो आज का वर्क है वो आप आज ही परफॉर्म करो ओके एंड वेयर देयर इज एनी क्वेरी you can ask me anytime. I'm always there for your help. That's it. Have a good day. Bye bye. God bless you all. Okay, and I love you all. Miss you. Bye bye.